Hello, you are watching Cover Times. Today's top 10 news are as follows. PM Modi urges voters to turn up in records as phase 2 polling begins in Assam and Bengal. Voting begins today for 30 seats in West Bengal and 39 seats in Assam, in tight security and precaution in the view of COVID-19. India vaccine net widens today to all those who are 45 or older. India enters the third phase for world's largest vaccination drive to date, extended to people who are 45 and older. By vaccinating more people, the center aims to give a boost to COVID fight and emergence of second wave in some parts. A batch of 3 Rafale jet lands in India from France. A fourth batch of 3 Rafale fighter jet landed in India on Wednesday evening after flying non-stop from France in a further boost to strike capability of Indian Air Force. The jets were provided mid-air refueling by Air Force tankers of United Arab Emirates, said IAF. Priyanka Gandhi takes on PM Modi on quoting from Bible at rally. A day after PM Modi targeted the ruling LDF over gold smuggling scam in a poll rally in Palghar, saying CPIM-led government betrayed the people just as Judas did to Jesus over a few pieces of silver. Addressing an election rally in Thrissur, Priyanka Gandhi said, "There was nothing more hollow than quoting from Bible to sow seeds of division and hatred in the country." Her ship is sinking, JP Nadda on Mamata Banerjee's letter. BJP chief JP Nadda targeted West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee over a letter to opposition leader for a united and effective struggle against the BJP's attack on democracy and constitution, and said it was an attempt to save her sinking ship in the West Bengal Assembly polls. BJP will not allow Assam to become hub of inflators again, Amit Shah. Home Minister Amit Shah, while addressing a rally in Chirang district, launched a scathing attack on All India United Democratic Front chief Badruddin Ajmal and said BJP will not allow Assam to become the hub of inflators again. DMK will loot people's property if it comes to power, E. Palaniswamy. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Idappi E. Palaniswamy refuted corruption allegation by DMK against AIA-DMK ministers and said if MK Stalin-led party comes to power, it will loot people's property. Tamil Nadu government extended lockdown till April 30th to implement test, track, treat protocol. Government has decided to extend the lockdown till April 30th with existing relaxation and restriction. It would also effectively implement the test, track, treat protocol to contain the spread of virus. Beijing did share COVID-19 data with investigators, say Chinese scientists, responding to allegation that the expert panel did not have the access to complete data set and samples. Liang Wenyan said, "No scientist ever had the perfect information." A top Chinese medical expert said there was no factual basis to accusation that China did not share data with international researcher appointed by World Health Organization to look into the origins of COVID-19. No relief for China's ByteDance in tax evasion case after Indian government freezes bank accounts. A 2-judge bench of Bombay High Court grants no relief to TikTok's parent company, ByteDance, in a tax evasion case that has resulted in 2 bank accounts of Chinese firm being blocked. You were with Caroline D'Cruz on Khabar Times.